financial freedom, unlimited profits, and higher returns. Katulad din nila, lahat tayo gusto nating ma-achieve ang financial security para sa sarili natin at syempre sa ating pamilya. At dahil pinaghihirapan natin ang ating kinikita, we try to go just beyond saving money. Instead, we find ways to make our earnings work for us. So kanino nga ba tayo nagtitiwala para palaguin ang ating pera? How do you make your money grow? One way is through investing it. Pero saan? Sa nag-invest yung dad so now he can spend more quality time with his kids? How can the young businessman build his dreams? And the nurse, kung hindi sa traditional savings, saan niya pinalago ang pera niya? The answer, they all discovered the stock market. So what is the stock market? Can it really work for people like them? People like us? Let's get to know the stock market and find out.
The Philippine stock market, a vehicle of progress that helps keep the wheels of business turning. It is at the very center of the nation's economy, reflecting the direction it will take as it serves as an indicator of levels of growth or decline. Active trading in the stock market promotes economic maturity as volumes of the capital market are increased. Right at the forefront of the stock market is the institution tasked to bring businesses and investors together, the Philippine Stock Exchange, or the PSE. Since its early years till the present, the Philippine Stock Exchange has played a vital part in bringing economic development in the country. Founded in August 1927, its first home was the booming business district of Binondo, where it was set up as an organized facility to efficiently trade stocks and equities to the general investing public. From that time onwards, the Philippine Stock Exchange has served to open up links between businesses needing funds for expansion and small and large investors who purchase stocks of corporations to share in its profits. As the economy grew, so did the stock market. Right in the middle of flourishing free enterprise in the 60s, another trading floor was launched. This stirred awareness among a wider public, and soon, more began to view the stock market as a potentially profitable investment option. A robust economic climate in the early 1990s prompted the introduction of reforms and the evolution of the PSC to its present setup. The Philippine Stock Exchange became the sole facility providing a suitable market for the trade of various types of securities. As more companies listed and trading activities increased, better infrastructures were put into place to hasten the development of capital market. The one price, one market policy successfully linked its two trading floors in Ayala and Ortigas to level the playing field for investors and safeguard the interest of stakeholders. The new millennium saw changing business conditions that further transformed the PSC. Once a non-stock member-governed organization, it is now a stable shareholder-based, revenue-earning company, managed with the rule of good governance and the highest corporate standards. Its vision to strengthen competitiveness of the industry with peers in the region. To this day, the PSE continues to be the watchdog of the stock market, closely regulating and monitoring transactions in the stock exchange. It strives to maintain a venue for cooperative endeavor and mutual trust, where companies can raise capital to fuel business growth, where traders can confidently trade to achieve their financial goals, and where brokers can provide expertise and facilities to assist the investing public. The Philippine stock market and the Philippine Stock Exchange, setting a strong foundation for the Philippines' leap towards growth and progress.
Malaki ang nagagawa ng stock market sa tuloy-tuloy na growth ng ating ekonomiya. When corporations have access to investor funds, they can expand to improve goods and services while even creating jobs. A wider public ownership of corporations has also proven to help develop the commerce and industry ng ating bansa. Now we know that investing in the stock market is a wise idea. And to further assure us, nandiyan ang Philippine Stock Exchange to monitor it. But then again, how can we make our money in the stock market grow? Para masagot yan, kailangan muna natin maintindihan ang basic principles behind stock trading. Let us first understand how it actually works and who are involved in making our money work for us.
To purchase a share of stock of a corporation through the stock market means becoming part owner of a company listed on the stock exchange. This type of investment is done based on the company's future growth prospects and projections of how the value of the stocks will increase. You make money trading in stocks in two ways: through capital gains or the price appreciation of stocks, and through dividends or the profit sharing declared by the corporations. The value of a stock is limited only by how fast the company can grow. The stock market can yield potentially huge profits, more than any other form of investment, if trading is conducted wisely and with the right timing of when to buy or sell your shares. Risks can be minimized, along with the rewards of a high return on investment.
Isn't it exciting to be part of a top and fast-growing corporation? And what other investment will allow you to do that except for the stock market? Ang paglaki pala at pag-asenso ng isang kumpanya ay pwede nating sabayan. And because these companies are made to follow stringent requirements to be able to be listed on the stock exchange, alam nating it's really a wise investment. Ang maganda pa sa stock market, kahit meron ka lang 5,000 pesos, you can start actively investing and potentially earn unlimited profits. This way, pwede ka na talagang mag-umpisang mag-move towards financial freedom. But before we start investing, there are two things that we must first determine. Una, how much money are you willing to set aside for this investment? At pangalawa, sino ba talaga ang pwede nating lapitan to help us make our investment? Let's find out.
Getting started in the stock market is a simple process. It begins by choosing the most important person you will be in touch with as an investor. This person is your stockbroker, also known as the trading participant. There are many licensed stockbrokers working with over 100 brokerage houses accredited with the Philippine Stock Exchange. Your choice of stockbroker should depend on the type of service you will require and who will best suit your needs. It is your broker who will assist you in opening an account. You can discuss your options before placing an order or immediately purchase the stock. After payments are made, you are now the official owner of shares of a corporation. The entire transaction can also be done via online trading. From anywhere you have access to the internet. And because timing is crucial in the buying and selling of stocks, it is best to always be informed about the company you buy in and the market and factors that affect it through mediums such as the newspaper, television, the PSE website, and your broker. Investing in the stock market is a fulfilling and potentially profitable way to make your money grow. And with the Philippine Stock Exchange at the forefront, you can be assured that the Philippine stock market remains to be a smart investment option where your money will work for you.
So, is the stock market for you? Do you think this is the vehicle where you can reach your financial goals? The answer should be yes. Investing in the stock market can potentially give unlimited returns that will lead to our financial freedom. Ang maganda pa nito, pwede tayong kumita ng malaki habang nakakatulong sa paglago ng ekonomiya ng ating bansa. And what's most reassuring is that the Philippine Stock Exchange will always be there to maintain market integrity and provide a level playing field. Its commitment still remains to be the conduit of growth and opportunities for all its investors, listed companies, and trading partners. And through PSE's investor education programs and activities, more and more have discovered the stock market. Just like the dad who found more time to spend with his daughter, the entrepreneur who established his own business, and the nurse abroad who secured her family's future. So, what are you waiting for? Make that move towards a better future. Invest in the stock market now and find out what it means to take that leap towards financial freedom. Maraming salamat po.